2021 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 engine came in for a long crank before it finally started up. So check engine light is on. Let me show you what we're looking at. We're in the engine right now module. Those are all the codes that we have, right? And then all the sensors. The big one here is the camshaft sensor, which I think is why he has a hard time starting. It was I tried to clear the codes and every single one of them come back, which lead me to believe it is a hard fault, right? So the code that catch my attention is this one here. It's the 5-volt reference circuit, right? And we know that all those sensors need the 5-volt reference to work. So there has to be one, they all have one thing in common. So we have our 5-volt reference diagram, the 5-volt reference 1. So that vehicle have 4 5-volt reference, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one of them monitor a different part of the vehicle. So we're looking at the 5-volt reference 1 here. It's for the fuel pump, which I have a code for it. I have a code for this. I do have a code for the AC refrigerant, the manifold pressure. I have code for every single one of them on that side of the circuit, right? So it has to be something here that has to be the problem. Something along those lines here, right? That has to be the problem. So we're gonna look at that connector here, J156, to see what's going on. I already figured it out, so let me show you. So the connector here next to the crankshaft was damaged. That's what the problem is. It's damaged. I don't know if it's a mouse. I don't know what got to it. Somehow it's damaged. That's what the problem is. So I'm gonna put a new connector to fix the problem. We got a new pigtail here. New pigtail and some butt connectors. That's how we're gonna fix it. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.